Well, the first video repeated quit halfway through here. So, just to review, if you have a minus sign, that means we have a quotient, then you go ahead and simplify. Here on this example, we had the bases the same, so we rewrote it as log base 2. The 3 becomes the exponent, and the y is your other factor. Then, the other problem I want to work, and I'm going to have to erase again, this is on 34 on the assignment. But if you'll look at the first group of the lesson, the first group has to state which property. In other words, which one of our 3 basic properties is allowed to work, whether it's the product, the quotient, or the power rule. On 11 through 18, you're going to rewrite it as a single logarithm. That means, again, using the properties. 19 through 30 will be an expansion. You have a couple of word problems, and then I want to do 34. Now, with 34, you're asked to find and evaluate this. In other words, the answer will be a single number. So if you look, the log base 2's are the same. So we're going to have log base 2. Since we have a minus sign, we're going to have a quotient. The 3 out in front, basically, because of power rule, becomes this exponent. So we have 2 to the 3rd. So it's the exponent of this piece inside here. The 4 becomes the denominator. Then we would rewrite it as 8 over 4, which is the log base 2 of 2. Now, we would like to know what power that is. Usually, to solve a logarithmic power, you need to rewrite it. Since this is the base, here is the exponent, equals the value. Since the powers, the bases are the same, the powers are equal, so my answer is x equals 1. Alright, so that's what you'll be doing on the group 34 through 41. Now, if you flip over the page and you look at 44 through 55, you're asked to evaluate the log of 24. Now, no, you cannot just get your calculator and hit the log of 24 because I'll expect to see some work. What we need to do is we need to think of 24 as a number that has a factor of either 4, 5, or 6. Well, we know 24 is 4 times 6, so we know that's the log of 4 plus the log of 6. And again, I'm going to expect to see this line on your paper. Now, they told you the log of 4 was 0.6021, and the log of 6